So for this requirement, how we implement nested if else? Age is equals to minus 1 if age greater than 0, but here minus 1 it is there, so we will use else block and we will write here invalid age. I'm talking for 1, so age greater than 0 it will check. Now again I will check if age less than 13, out.println child. If age greater than 0, so this condition satisfied, and age less than 13, so age less than 13. So if this is correct, then the controller comes inside. We'll check again here. So if this is satisfied, then this piece of code will be true, and we have to print child. So that's why I am doing it here, child 13. Now we have to use else. Under this we have to use if age less than 18, right? We will use system out.println teenager. How I have written like this condition is satisfied, we have written like till here. Now again it will check if age greater than 13. So if age is greater than 0, it is satisfied, so this will not be executed. Why? Because age is 13 here, so this is not executed at all, so it will come to the else block. Now in else it will check 13, so 13 less than 18, yes, so it will print teenager. We will check for? We will check for 60. Now in if, we will write else block. In else block we have to again take if age less than 60, then what we have to write? Adult, right? How, you can tell me? So let's see here. So I'm checking for this condition. So age greater than 18, so age greater than 18, this condition will be true, so controller will come inside this if block. Now it will check 18 less than 13, so this condition is false, so controller will not execute this piece of code, right? So if this is false, then else block will be executed, right? Else block will be executed. Now it will check age 18, I am printing for 17, so it will check if age 17 less than 18, yes, it is correct, so it will print teenager. Now the only left is age greater than equals to 60, print senior citizen. You tell me where we have to write.